explosive, it gets even better. Steep climb, and it gets even better in a moment. How about that? As I said, running down the bank.
Look at that.
Now, of course, this is all completely safe because the Airbus group are a way of having the aircraft or using the fly-by-wire systems looking after complete safety all the time, aren't they?
That's it's using
Takes a slow motion.
basic electronic systems to make sure it is maintained as safe. They can't also take it away. And it's something like that. That is a lot of down to the skill of the pilot in doing it as well. But within the systems of that, the gear went up well, which is good for us, and it's. I'm sure he's enjoying throwing it around.
Now this is the first A380, isn't it?
This is MSN1. This is the first one that was built, rolled out all those years ago. It's hard to imagine they've actually been in service now 6 years.
18th of January, was it 2005?
Your memory is better than mine, but I'll prove it for you.
It's, yeah, just under 4 hours. Your normal test flights are quite a long program. I think it's 3 hours, 4 minutes to be precise. At least that's what it's.
If it wasn't for you reading your crib sheet, I'd be very impressed how good your memory was.
It gives it away when you can see it. I'm reading straight off there. But look at that. Inside the boundary of Farnborough, this huge airliner. Now, I mean, it's quiet. It's wonderful. It's a huge machine, and yet it's whispering past.
I think it's the bit that you always get is the reaction of the passengers inside is just how quiet it really is. It is one of the things that's remarkable about it. So there's now about 140 of them out there, something like that. And our Emirates have now just taken delivery of their 50th. Well, 50 of these in service. British Airways had their first one last year. I had the pleasure of going to Heathrow to watch them take delivery of their first one.
Indeed, I was there when she arrived.
Yeah, as I was, yeah. But it's they're making great use of it, flying all over the place.
Yes, we are, yeah.
Inside, around the area.
Now, the configurations are really to each customer, really, because you can do whatever you like. I mean, when you go on to your next frame, if you go on to the Dash 10, you're looking at possibly getting 990 people in high density in there. Now, this is a tactical departure. Change direction, quite fairly swift. We get away from the ground fast, small arms far, that sort of thing. This is 380 comes in for land. We go down for landing to end the holiday. Engine draws in enough air to inflict 72,000 particles in 1 second. That's a lot of air you're going to have to move. Now, this particular aircraft flying was the third public display at Farnborough. New generation airlifter entered service with the French Air Force last September. Aircraft have been ordered by 8 nations: Belgium, France, Germany, Luxembourg, by Malaysia, Spain, Turkey, the United Kingdom, meaning that its production for many years to come has been secured. Are produced by 4 Eurocroft International GP400 engines. Those half-full turboprops in production help to give this remarkable aircraft its versatility that it's showing. These aircraft can fly intercontinental missions at speeds and altitudes comparable with jet aircraft up to 0.73 Mach. They can fly up to 40,000 feet. We can then land offshore at airstrips close to the sea. That makes it an ideal performer both on military and humanitarian missions. Land on a gravel strip, rough gravel strip, as short as 750 meters and deliver a load of 25 tons. This is the third of 5 development aircraft used in the flight test program. No, I'm sure you're not going to get this right with this one. Oh, why not?
That was, also, I was just looking at it. I'm going to show. Here's my lack of knowledge now. So this device is that the refueling?
That great big scaffolding pole ahead of the yep, there's if you look at the big screen, you'll probably get a better close at it. That's the in-flight refueling probe. We're going to get it out the front so the pilots can see where to put it. But this aircraft can also be used as an in-flight refueling tanker itself. So with it, it's got right from the top. Larger